In this video, we listed the 5 best folding chairs for outdoor that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AlphaCamp Folding Chair. The AlphaCamp chair is a durable and ergonomic seating option designed for comfort and convenience. It features a sturdy metal frame and seat material, ensuring high durability and a maximum weight capacity of 450 pounds. With dimensions of 24.8 inch depth, 32 width, and 39.37 height, the chair provides ample space and support, including a ladder-style backrest for added comfort. Its special features, such as ease of transport and storage, a built-in cup holder, and ergonomic support, make it a practical choice for various settings. The chair comes in a sleek black color, combining functionality with a modern design. Number 2. Nazhura for Pack Chairs. The Nazhura folding chairs offer a perfect blend of comfort, style, and durability, making them an ideal choice for various settings such as workspaces, events, or casual lounging. Made with thick padded seating from high-quality PU leather and foam, these chairs ensure a comfortable experience, while the sleek alloy steel frame adds an elegant touch. Designed for stability, they feature a robust triangle structure and non-slip foot pads, supporting up to 650 pounds without damaging floors. Easy to store and transport, the chairs come pre-assembled and fold flat for convenient storage. Their versatile khaki color and classic Y-frame design make them suitable for multiple environments, while a customer satisfaction guarantee underscores the brand's commitment to quality and service. Number 3. Helinox Sunset Chair. The Helinox chair is a lightweight, portable, and collapsible seating option designed for convenience and comfort. Featuring a taller profile and greater ground clearance, it allows for easy sitting and standing. It includes side pockets for small essentials and an adjustable headrest for added comfort, such as pillow placement. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy frame, the chair provides maximum strength while remaining lightweight, capable of holding up to 320 pounds. The seat and carrying case are made from UV-resistant, machine-washable 600 weave ripstop polyester. Quick to set up with a single internal bungee cord for pole assembly, the chair measures 23 inches wide, 28.5 inches deep, and 38.5 inches tall when assembled, with a seat height of 14 inches. Weighing only 3.25 pounds, it packs down compactly to 4.5 by 5.5 by 18.5 inches in the included zippered bag and comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Number 4. Ever Advanced Chair. The Ever Advanced oversized folding chair is a versatile and comfortable outdoor seating solution designed for various activities such as camping, sporting events, barbecues, and backyard lounging. Featuring a high padded back and a large seat area, it ensures ultimate comfort and support during extended outdoor use. The chair is made with a lightweight yet durable alloy steel frame, weighing only 8.5 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. Its breathable fabric reduces heat and moisture buildup, while the ergonomic design enhances overall comfort. The chair's dimensions are 22-inch LX 24.5 WX 43 H when set up, and it folds down to a compact size of 8 LX 8.5 WX 41 H, with a weight capacity of 350 pounds. Additionally, adjustable armrests allow users to customize the chair for their posture needs, making it a practical and multifunctional choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 5. Timber Ridge Chair. The Timber Ridge oversized camping chair is a versatile and durable outdoor seating option designed for maximum comfort and functionality. With a sturdy alloy steel frame, it supports up to 500 pounds, making it a reliable choice for various users. The chair features a spacious 24 3/8 wide seat, padded headrest, and solid backrest, ensuring a comfortable sitting experience. It also includes convenient accessories like a built-in side pocket with a cooler and cup holder, perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, and essentials within reach. Weighing 16.85 pounds and foldable for easy transport, this chair is ideal for camping, sporting events, barbecues, and backyard use. Its durable polyester material and hard armrests further enhance its practicality and long-lasting performance.